Good day and welcome to a fantastic episode of Making Money with Eclipse. My name is Eclipse, all the way from South Africa. Yes, I'm in Durban at the moment. And today, guys, I want to show you a fantastic method on how to make $100 a day. Yes, that's $100 a day. And if you use this successfully, you can always make this into a business of your own. This business strategy is actually called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the way that I started making money online. And with affiliate marketing, you can make it into a business, you can create a brand online, and as well become very successful on this. And guys, please drop a like on this video, as well subscribe to this video. And guys, I hope you enjoyed the previous video, guys. Thanks to everyone that supported the hustle. Yes, today, guys, you're gonna make money today with affiliate marketing, guys. Let me first tell you a bit about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when, for example, you have a product that you'll promote online. Let's just say you don't have a website at the moment. You'll go to websites like ClickBank, you go to Digistore, ShareSale, and the website I recommend the most is Digistore. With Digistore, you can go there and get products to promote online, of which you can maybe send out links. And if someone buys from your link, you can get a commission price of that sale. So let's just say, for example, the sale is $50. You'll get a commission maybe of 75% of that sale, which is for probably $35 that you'll get off that sale, a commission price of it. So guys, I want to show you how to make $100 because I've been utilizing this strategy, which is affiliate marketing, since 2020. And it's been making me a lucrative amount of money online. And with affiliate marketing, I've actually gone from zero to where I am right now. So guys, I want to share with you how to make money with affiliate marketing. And guys, with affiliate marketing, it's all about getting traffic. And I will share with you how we're going to get traffic later on. Just stick tuned, stay with me, guys, and don't forget to hit a like on this video and as well subscribe to my channel, guys, because I'm going to show you amazing ways to make money online, guys. And remember, guys, I first started off on my cell phone. First started off making money on my cell phone. So that's why I want to share with you methods on how to make money on your cell phone. And then we're going to shift there and make money on our laptops. So guys, it's all a process, you get what I'm saying? So I want to start you guys off by making money on your phones. Once you've started making your money on your phones and you've purchased your laptop and you also have your own setup, I'll start showing you more advanced methods on how to make money online. Just subscribe, guys, because I'm here to make money online with you guys. I'm documenting my journey on how I went from zero to where I am right now, guys. And I will share with you later on in other videos exactly how much I make monthly online, guys. So I just want to share with you how you're going to make $100, maybe today, maybe next week, because guys, these methods do work. With affiliate marketing, you will make money online. The one thing that I recommend with affiliate marketing is to be patient. Because guys, you can send out links, because the best strategy, the best traffic, there's 5 traffic sources that I recommend best with affiliate marketing. But guys, I want to show you today, which is Quora. Quora is a fantastic way to promote your links online. But guys, with Quora, there's a certain way you need to do it. Because if you go on Quora and you just go now and you just start promoting your links, maybe for example, we will grab a nice health keto diet, for example. We'll grab a keto diet on ClickBank. We'll grab a keto diet on ClickBank. We'll go on Quora and we're just sending out our links. Quora will ban you. Quora has very strict rules on that. So guys, stick with me. I'll show you exactly how to use Quora the right way, how to make money with affiliate marketing. Because guys, with affiliate marketing, just imagine you sitting at home and all of a sudden $100 just comes into your pocket because you've done the work. Maybe you've done the work yesterday, because it's passive income. Because guys, I want to show you passive income, ways on which you can make money just sitting at home. You can, maybe while you're working at the moment, you can always set up your affiliate marketing platforms and just have it running for you. It's like a money tree. It's like a money tree. That's what I call affiliate marketing. It's a money tree, guys. And I want to show you how to make your money tree today. There are many ways, many traffic sources. You can promote it on Facebook. You can promote it on Instagram, Twitter. There are so many ways to make money with affiliate marketing, guys. But I want to show you how to make it on Quora. Quora is one of the best platforms, guys. If you've heard about it, comment down below if you've used Quora. Maybe you are using Quora to make money online. I would love to know your strategy on how you make money online with affiliate marketing. Because guys, with affiliate marketing, it's basically like, and here in South Africa, we mostly utilize digital marketing. Digital marketing is for me, it's outdated because now we are going into the online stage. So guys, I want to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing. Maybe you won't make your first sale today. Maybe you won't make it next week. But guys, if you utilize this strategy and use it to your best ability and be consistent, because the one thing a lot of people do, they'll go and they'll try things once, twice, and then they'll be like, oh, you know what, this doesn't work for me. But guys, eventually it will. You know what, consistency, and it's not about hard work. Hard work, you know, the guy that works hard is the guy that works 9 to 5. I want you guys to work your 9 to 5 and as well as have a side hustle that will eventually be your main hustle. Because me, I'm still a teacher at the moment, so I'm still busy with my main hustle while I'm still pushing my side hustle. Eventually, I'm going to leave my 9 to 5. But at the moment, I'm still enjoying my 9 to 5, guys. So enjoy your 9 to 5 until you are able to make a substantial amount to leave your 9 to 5. Create these online machines that are going to make you money on a regular basis. Because guys, with affiliate marketing, you can be like, oh, you know what? I haven't made a sale today. And then you can wake up and be like, yo guys, I just have $1,000 in my bank account. You get what I'm saying? So it's a spontaneous reaction. Like the first time I got a sale in affiliate marketing, I couldn't believe it. Like I remember I was with my mom, I'm like, Ma, because in South Africa, I made 4,000 Rand. That's converting to that. I'm going to show my mom, look here, I just made 4,000 Rand online. Like I was so excited. And I want you to have that same excitement when you make your first sale with affiliate marketing. Maybe you've made other ways in which you make money online. Please comment down below how you make money online. If you are enjoying this video, drop a like. That's for the algorithm, because guys, I want you to make money online with affiliate marketing, and as well as many other ways to make money online, guys, because I use affiliate marketing to make money online. I use affiliate marketing on Instagram. I used to use it on Facebook, not in the moment, but guys, I use it on TikTok as well, guys. So I will show you all the traffic sources you can use, and you will just choose which one is best suited for you. Because guys, I don't want you to try all of them, be like, you know what, they're not working for me. I want you guys to try, see which one works for you. Because guys, I'm also going to show you in later videos how to do drop shipping as well. So with affiliate marketing, you'll grab your link of ClickBank, for example. But guys, I want us to use Digistore, because Digistore is available all over the world. So you're going to go to Digistore. Okay, we're going to sign up an account on Digistore. The moment we sign up an account at Digistore, we're going to sign up all our details, okay? Now, I already have an account at Digistore, okay? So, guys, I already have 2 accounts on Digistore. This account here, I started a couple days ago, just to show you that this method still works. Just to show you that I can still make $100 in a day. It was $185 actually. So guys, that was because I started promoting low-end products. But I want you guys to promote low-end products, make your money with low-end products, so then you can start making money with high-end products. Because it's all a process, guys. It's all a process. You can't go from 0 to 100. You need to go through the stages. It's like a car. A car goes from gear 1 all the way to gear 6. It doesn't just go straight to 6. You will destroy your car. So guys, this is all a process. You're with me. You're here to make money online with Eclipse. My name is Eclipse Gumede, all the way from South Africa, guys. Please comment down below where you are from, because I really want to show you other ways to make money online, guys. Okay, so now we are on Digistore. We are gonna go to a marketplace, the affiliate marketplace. We're gonna grab. Let's see what we have on Digistore. I highly recommend you do, for example, depending on what type of person you are, because let's just say you're a type of person that likes to run, you're an active person. I always recommend the fitness niche. Okay, remember guys, in my last video I talked about niches and how to make money on Instagram. So guys, if you didn't watch that video, you can always tune into the end and re-watch that video, because guys, if you know about niches and you know how they work, so once you've picked your niche, so guys, I like my making money niche, and as well as my health and fitness niche, and as well as I love the manifest niche, because guys, these are very saturated niches, but if you use it correctly, you'll make money online. Okay, so guys, let's grab any product here on the affiliate marketplace. Okay, so now that we've grabbed our product, you're gonna scroll down, it's gonna say promote. We're gonna grab, that's the link that we're gonna use to make money online. This link, we're gonna copy this link. Then once we have this link copied, we are gonna go to, remember that website I told you about, Bitly, that I couldn't go on that time. Now I can go on Bitly. So let's go onto our Bitly. Okay, we're gonna go into Bitly, and we're gonna make sure we go on our Bitly, and we're just gonna squish this link. We're gonna make it a nice, clean, active link so people can click on it. You get what I'm saying? Because people are not gonna click on a dirty, long link. So once we grabbed our link on bitly.com, okay, but now guys, once now we've done with that, now we've grabbed our link, we're done with the first strategy. We've grabbed our link, we have our link looks nice, we've grabbed our product. Now where are we gonna get these people? We're gonna get these people to purchase this product. And like I said, I'm gonna show you Quora. Okay guys, if you don't have Quora, I highly recommend you download it, or you can always use the browser account, but I highly recommend you go into the Play Store, the iOS, wherever you download, guys, go download Quora on your phone. Have Quora on your phone, because guys, the amazing part about Quora is that it updates you with every new question that comes about. And with that question, guys, you can always go on and answer that question, because guys, these are people that want to know how to lose weight. And that since now we have a product on ways to lose weight, we can use them and just assist them on how to lose weight. But guys, I always say with affiliate marketing, you must add knowledge. The moment you add knowledge with whatever you're doing with affiliate marketing, that's when you're gonna make sales. Because if you go into this question and be like, you can easily start losing weight with this, they're not gonna click on that link. They need firstly to see, okay, so this guy, he knows what he's talking about. So he knows what he's talking about. So he's actually knows what he's talking about. Okay, so we're gonna deviate from there. From Quora, they take them to another website, and that website would be WordPress.com. I love my WordPress.com. It's a free way to make websites online. So guys, if you're someone like me that in the beginning didn't know how to write articles, because guys, I know some of us aren't that 100% on writing articles, because I used to be like that in the beginning, but now at the moment I'm very clued up on writing articles. I took a writing course online. I got my Google certification. So guys, it's all good for me when it comes to blogging now at the moment. So guys, I highly recommend. So now we're done with the first step, which was grabbing our link. We're now done with the second step, which is signing in for Quora, downloading Quora, having Quora, better set up a profile, a nice looking profile on Quora. Okay, well, now we're done with that second step. Now what we're going to do is we're going to grab a WordPress. We're going to go download WordPress, because guys, we can't just send this link straight from Quora all the way to the purchasing site. We need a bridge page, a page that entices someone to want to buy this product. So with this bridge page, you're going to give them more information on how to make money online, on how to lose weight, sorry about that, on how to lose weight online. So with that, it will assist them easily. So guys, now that we've downloaded our WordPress, okay, and where I recommend you get our articles is freepdf.com. We'll grab a PDF over there. We'll go on pdf.com. Okay, once we go on pdf.com, we'll go, let's scroll down, and then we'll go and I'll see our health and fitness. We'll download articles in the health and fitness. Okay, once you've downloaded articles in the health and fitness, okay, we're gonna go back onto WordPress. We're gonna set up our WordPress account to make sure that we can now utilize this website to earn us money online. Because guys, the moment we've got given them information from these PDF, okay? At the end, we're gonna put this link. So guys, now we've taken them from Quora. From Quora, we've taken them to our bridge page. From our bridge page, now they're enticed to sell. And the nice part about affiliate marketing, at the moment they get on the website, the people that are selling the products now do all the work. You get what I'm saying? So you just get the person to click on the link, entice them to click on the link, and then you'll start making money online. And guys, if you have any questions on affiliate marketing, drop the comment down below, guys. I love answering questions. I always reply to all my comments, guys. So drop a comment down below if you need any more information on affiliate marketing. If you need more information on affiliate marketing, guys, I will do more videos on how I make other ways to make money online. So subscribe to my channel, guys, and you'll find me in my next video, guys. Enjoy the rest of your evening, day, wherever you're from in the world, guys. Thank you for tuning into this video.